Are you a student studying, or teacher teaching, in computer field? Are you having problem while performing some simple activities on your computer? Are you frustrated by doing those simple activities, with your time-consuming mouse, which can be done by our keyboard hotkey very easily, but don't know how to do those activities? Then this video is for you, so sit down and watch the video till end, as I am going to tell you a very cool hotkey at last. Hello and welcome to SIFER's world. Refreshing screen is simple, but with mouse it is time consuming. You can refresh your screen by just clicking 1 to 2 keys. To refresh screen, press F5 or function key plus F5 together. By pressing these keys, you can refresh your screen quickly. We always prefers to type in English language in maximum places, but sometimes for some reasons, we have to type in other language. Don't know how to change the language? Don't worry, I'm here. Press Windows key plus spacebar to see language options. If you don't find the necessary language, you can also add other languages by going to language settings, pressing on add language, searching for your language, selecting your language and pressing OK to add the selected language. Some peoples like to put emoji in their texts, and putting emoji to your text makes your text look attractive, but putting emoji to your text is harder. Well, not now at all. We can just press Windows key plus period, and can add as much as emoji we want in our text. And not only while typing document, but also while chatting, mailing and while doing other text editing activities. To open Task Manager, we used to follow a short key, that is Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. After pressing these key, Windows used to take us to a platform like this, and then we were able to open Task Manager, but now we can open Task Manager directly. We just have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key together to open Task Manager. When we start an application or software, it is placed in our taskbar, and many other applications are also placed in our taskbar like File Explorer, Microsoft Store, and other. They are pinned on our taskbar. So, if we want to open very first, second, third, or other application pinned on the taskbar, we just have to press Windows key plus the place value of the application. Like if I want to open very first, or second application of my taskbar, that is File Explorer or Microsoft Store, then I just have to press Windows key plus 1 to open File Explorer, or Windows key plus 2 to open Microsoft Store. Like that, if I go further, I just have to press Windows key plus the place value of the application. Sometimes minimizing tasks to go to desktop is too boring and disturbing to us. So, to go to desktop, press Windows key plus D. You will be taken to desktop directly. Isn't that so simple? Let's move on forward to the video. I likes children's, but not while working on my PC, as they mess up my valuable items. If you too don't likes children's, while working with your PC, then take out your anger and hit that like button. It will show how much you are angry on them. And if you don't want to take risk with your documents, press Windows key plus L quickly to lock your screen, if they are coming near to you now. It is not always a better thing for professionals to change the running application by minimizing and maximizing tasks while working with different files, folders, and documents at the same time. Aren't you a professional? Comment down below. So, to change the running applications like professionals, press Alt plus Tab like this. If you studies in any computer field, in future this short key will help you a lot. You might have a question in your mind, related to screenshot in Windows, like how to take screenshot in Windows, and where does our system saves those screenshots. Don't hurry up, I will tell you. Press Windows key plus print screen to take screenshot, it will bling like this. If you want to see your screenshot, then go to Pictures folder, go to Screenshot folder, you can see your screenshot there. Isn't the shot keys are too cool? So before moving to our last and final shot key, go and click on that subscribe button, so that you can watch my latest videos at the very first time. Today we aim for plus 20 subscribers. Okay then, let's move forward. Have you ever suffered with losing data in any browser by mistakenly closing the tabs while switching to other tabs? So, now your suffering ends here. If you mistakenly closes the tab, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to bring that tab back with your data. It will work in every browser and help you a lot. How did you like this video? Comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, then go and click the subscribe button. See you in the next video.